Hey guys, I'm looking to attract motivated individuals who want to build a business and learn how to generate 30K in 90 days. Inside our community, we are launching a 90-day business growth sprint on Monday, January 27th, where you are going to learn how to go from 0 to 30K in 90 days. Given this opportunity, you have a few days before we start. Everything is done online. You can get all the details in this webinar we are having on Friday at 11 a.m. CST 17 UK time. This is a transformational opportunity to create income. Learn digital marketing skills that will help you grow a successful business. What if 90 days could change your life in a great way? Are you ready for the sprint to go from 0 to 30K in 90 days? You will get the exact blueprint to build a 30K business in just 3 months. Are you ready for the exact blueprint to build a 30K business in just 3 months? What you will gain? You will learn step-by-step strategies to generate 30,000 HALs in 90 days. You will build a profitable online business without the grind access. Live weekly coaching and support to stay on track. Gain an automated system to make consistent income leave with a business that works for you, not the other way round. You will learn how to make money in your sleep. So take action today. Write webinar in the comments. Give us some love and share this video to someone you know who needs it. Click the link in my bio to get the webinar link.